Hi, welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial. In this video, we will see how to import and update data in WordPress using the CSV Importer plugin via FTP or SFTP server. Let's get started. If you visit the plugin page in your WordPress dashboard, you'll land in the Import/Update section. Here, select the option Upload from FTP or SFTP to perform the import. Provide your host name, host port, username, and password. Specify the file path here, that is the location path where you've stored your CSV or XML file in your server. Next, choose the connection type. I use the FTP connection type. Now click Continue. Here, we need to configure the import type, that is whether it is fresh import or content update. We recommend you to choose the update content option. That will be useful if you want to perform schedule update tasks. In this video, we will also see about updating the data. Choose the post type here. I choose posts and click Continue. I am creating a new mapping. Now we need to map the field headers of the CSV/XML file with the corresponding WordPress fields. You can notice that some fields will be automatically mapped if the CSV/XML headers and WordPress fields headers are having the same name. Once you've mapped, give a name to save the mapping as template here. Click Continue. Configure the media settings to handle how the images need to be imported. Choose any one option. Move to the Import Configuration section. Okay, here we have to configure the schedule option. But before that, I am using any one duplicate handling option to prevent duplicate records creation in my schedule import update. So you can use the skip update if any extra records found option to prevent from inserting duplicates, or use the duplicate records update option. Choose one option and select the field to check for duplicates. Now enable the Do you want to schedule this import option. Fill the schedule options. Before this, we need to add a cron entry in the WordPress server. I am running WordPress on localhost. Here you can see I have added the cron entry already. If you want to know how to do this, check the detailed blog link in description. Okay, done now. Now provide the schedule date, frequency, time zone, and schedule time. Once added, click the Schedule button. The import will be successfully scheduled. You can check the process by visiting the Manager tab and clicking the Smart Schedule. Here you can view the status of the schedule. You can see that I have no post in my WordPress website. Now wait for the import to complete. I am fast forwarding the video. Here you can see the status is initialized, that is, the import begins. If I look at my post here, you can see the posts are imported successfully. Once the first import gets completed, you will get the status wait for the next schedule. Now let's see how to update the data via FTP/SFTP using our CSV importer. I am going to update the scheduled posts date on the file in FTP server. So I visit the FTP client, I use FileZilla, locate the CSV file. Open and start editing the file. I am changing the post dates of affiliate marketing and email marketing do's and don't posts. Save the file. The schedule is initialized. But it hasn't been updated. Okay, now wait for the next schedule to get these changes updated. I am just making sure the changes are in the file. Okay, let's wait for the next schedule to complete. The schedule is initialized and will complete in a few minutes. Now let's check the posts. Here you can see the two posts date has been successfully updated. So this is how you import and update data via FTP or SFTP using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.